Hi everyone, today in this video we shall learn how to connect SQL Server database with Visual Basic. So let's start. First of all we shall open our Visual Basic and then we can create a new file, SQL connection, and then we shall create a button over here so that we can use to connect it with our SQL database. So let's name it first, then we have to put a label here to tell us whether it is connected or not, label 1. Then we shall start SQL Server 2014 Management Studio so that we can create a database, or we can use an existing database to use for this video. For example, if we want to connect with this database, pizza shop, we already have, then first of all we should learn what is the server name and then database name so that we can connect. To do this we can start from this button, and first of all we shall write imports system.data.sql, imports system.data.sql client, and then we shall write here public SQL as new SQL connection with connection string is equal to server is equal to (2014), then database is equal to pizza shop, true. Now in try catch we shall try to open this connection, SQL con.open, and then we shall write here if SQL con.state is equal to connection state open, then show us a message when it will connect, then its state will be the opened state, so that we can get a message that server is connected. Now test it, and then we actually we want to use this label also, that server is connected. Anyway, we can run this, server is already connected. Now if we use this label, then also we can write label 1 dot text is equal to server is connected. That's all. Now we shall, server is already connected. Okay, this is, in this way you can connect your SQL server with your database. I hope this video will help you connecting SQL server with your application which you are making in Visual Basic. So thanks for watching.